Yes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I think you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah after a long time. By this time, I met with you the last lecture. Now, you know very well, I have a course. You are the students of third year honors of Dhaka Women College under National University, and students of third year. Yes, third year syllabus is in my hand. I like to start 231101. You can see here the Duchess of Malfi, John Webster. Lecture number 1, Dhaka Women College, Department of English Honors, third year, Elizabethan and Jacobean drama. This is important. Elizabethan and Jacobean drama, and its course number 231101. So by this time, you know, in this course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dramas are here. And I have completed 1, 2, 3, 4, and only one is waiting for you. And this is the Duchess of Malfi. So I like to complete it within a very short time, within 4 or 5 lectures. And this is the first lecture, the Duchess of Malfi. Okay. Next. The life of John Webster. You know very well, for the first time, you should have to know the life of the writer, poets, dramatists, novelists, essayists, etc., etc. Who is the writer mean? So here, I like to say the life of John Webster. Number 1, birth and parentage. We have a very little information about the life of John Webster, except his dramatic career, because his birth and parentage is totally unknown to everyone. Nobody can tell this properly. It is fairly certain that he was born not earlier than 1570 and 70. Not later than 1580. Please, there is a sound. A sound is coming. A sound is coming. I don't know. Sorry, sorry. Sound is coming. Please stop it. He may be Jonas Webster's son. Maybe. So it is uncertain. He became the heir of Jonas Webster of London. So we can say he was born in London. Most probably he was born free of Merchant Taylor's Company. He died probably before 1634. This is his birth and parentage, because a lot of information is unknown to us. Number 2, dramatic career. Webster's dramatic career mainly started when the Queen Elizabeth period was, or years was, going to be closed. And his actual creative period appears to have lasted throughout the times of James I. So very easily we can say that though his career started during the period, the closing period or the closing years of Queen Elizabeth I, but actually his creative power or period appears to have lasted throughout the times of James I. Sorry, please unmute. Please unmute your audio. Unmute your audio.
Tamanna, Doctor mute করিস নাই, mute কর, তাইলে স্যারের কথাটা ক্লিয়ারলি শোনা যাবে আর কোনো খচর আসবে না।
Unmute your audio, please. Everybody, I like to request. There is a sound, big sound is coming into my ear. Very difficult to deliver the lecture. Okay, thank you. If anyone asks any question at the last of the lecture, you will get 5 minutes, so you can ask your question. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now unmute. Sorry, mute. So, but it is uncertain whether it is the times of Charles I. It is totally uncertain. There is some evidence that he was an actor for some time. Someone says that once upon a time he was the actor, but some critics questions the legality, about the legality of the evidence. So it is totally a belief and unbelief, tantalization position. There is a record at various times that he had been a collaborator with Mundy, some novelist, Heywood, Ford, and Rowley. Maybe the Duchess of Malfi was printed in 1623, and we like to study Marquess of Dalby. This is very important. Now, number 3, his works. What type of works, what type of drama or other writings were published during that time? He wrote a lot of plays. Some of them are written partly, some are only Webster's. Among them, number one, The White Devil, published in 1612, most important drama of his life. The White Devil, very, very important. Number 1, very, White Devil, yes. Yes, White Devil, most important writing or a drama, which published in 1612. Number 2, another important drama, Duchess of Malfi. You can see here. I like to block it. Yes. You see here, block it, this one. So, number 1, The White Devil, and number 2, The Duchess of Malfi, published 1623. Very important. And number 3, The Devil's Law Case. Number 3, you can see here, the Devil's Law Case. Also published in 1623. So at the same year, 2 dramas were published, but most important among 2, The Duchess of Malfi, that we are going to study. And it is now the syllabus under National University. Okay. Next, near about 16 dramas were written partly. Anshik Bhabe likhechen. These dramas are called lost plays. A drama ki bola hoy lost plays, harano and conjectured plays. Some on dramatic writings are found. Some non-dramatic writings are no need. Number 3, Webster's literary career. Very, very important this. There are 3 distinct periods of Webster's literary career life. Distinct, separate, individual, and important periods of his life. His career lives are divided into 3 parts. His literary career are divided into 3 periods. Number 1, you can see here. Number 1, collaboration of several writers. He got some facilities to meet with others. So, he collaborated with several writers, mainly with Descartes. Descartes is one of the most important writers of the time. He wrote Caesar's Fall and the 2 Harpies with him, with Middleton and the Malcontent with Marston. With the help of this person, Webster wrote this drama before he joined with Descartes, Western Hoe and Northward Hoe. Westward Hoe and Northward Hoe with Descartes, printed 1607. These groups of writers are called citizen committees. These 3 Westerho and Northerho, they are called the citizen committees. Okay, next one, please. The students are coming still. Already 30 minutes I have completed. So these are not good students, I think. Of course, the time is valuable. You should have to value time. Otherwise, you will not be the good student and you will not get anything from me. So be careful. So I am delivering the lecture here in this point. Three periods of his life. Number 1 and number 2. Number 1, collaboration of several writers. And number 2, here you see the period of mature place. The period of mature place. This time he wrote, this period is very important of his life. It is the period of original works, all between 1610 to 1614. So 4 years. 4 years are very important to his life, of his career life. The White Devil, you can see here, the White Devil. Yes, the White Devil. You see here, I am like to block it. Yes, White Devil. You see here, my mouse is going there. You see here, the White Devil was printed in 1612. The Duchess of Malfi also another important. Yes, block it. Yes, I like to block it to see you clearly. The Duchess of Malfi was also printed in 1623. So one is 12, another is 23. But you know 23 is very important because during this year, 2 important novels were printed. The play grows greater maturity than the White Devil. But the Duchess of Malfi is greater and achieved maturity than the devil. Here you see, than the White Devil. You see here, mouse is there. Yes, this one, the White Devil. There is a blending of tragedy with pathos. So the Duchess of Malfi is full of tragedy and also with pathos, of pity, with terror of both the plays. So 2 plays are full of tragedy, pathos and also pity with terror. When we read this tragedy, some pathetic and some pityness already is aroused in our mind. In some sense, the 2 plays may be considered as companion pictures, as studies of good and bad in the character of women. So here, woman's character is very important. Duchess of Webster is the ill-fated woman. Duchess of Webster. Webster is a writer, Duchess is the princess, and this lady is ill-fated lady. The last phase, just career last phase, number 3 you see here, the last phase. The guys, the devil's lackeys appears, and Virginia and Q for cuckold belong to the last period of John Webster's writing career. These are the last phase. He wrote this, most of them collaborations and one of them lost. So here all the plays are collaborations with the other. It was written and one of them lost. Okay, thanks, my dear student. I like to go another phrase. Number 5. Number 5, Webster, the dramatist. Only 2 or 3 minutes you will get. We know very well, only 40 minutes in my hand. Among the Jacobean dramatists, the figure of John Webster rises above all others bearing Shakespeare. So during that period,
Sir, time is over.
He is.
Sir, time is over.
Okay.
Time is over. Naida ma'am er class আছে.
Okay.
Naida
It
ma'am er
is
class
worth
আছে.
noticing that this eminent position that he got from two of the famous plays, the White Devil, and also the Duchess of Malfi. Most important, the Duchess of Malfi and White Devil.
White devil.
So,
Okay.
during the time he and his works were open compared to Shakespeare and his works. So, as a dramatist, it was the recognition of his greatness. He tried his skill in comedies, but he fulfilled his tragedy. He lives now only through the two immortal tragedies. So, morbidity, death, violence, and horror. The mystery behind life and death. One question, several answers. His moral vision, his attractive characterization, satire, and his own style are the main themes of his dramas. Attraction, which makes Webster a great dramatist in English literature. Thank you all. And next time, I will give another lecture over Webster's Duchess of Malfi, most probably theme. Please join with me as early as possible. Thank you. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz. Stay safe.
Okay
stay
sir,
well.
ওই লিংকটা কি আগেই থাকবে, মানে এই লিংকই তো আমরা জয়েন করব?
Same
Okay.
link. আমি link sense করব না. This is always, my link is always remained and one. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
আচ্ছা স্যার, আর ইয়াগুলা রোল মানে আজকে যারা প্রেজেন্ট ছিল তাদের রোলটা দিব, তাই তো?
Yes. এটা তুমি অন্য সময় দিয়ে দাও. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
জি।
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
Most welcome.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
Thank you, my dear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 out of 50.